As you can see, this very file directory now contains a dot. It starts with a dot. So it is now a hidden directory. So in order to view our files again, let us issue this command. Let's issue this command as well. So as you can see, this very directory, like I said, is now a hidden directory. So which means that sometimes you may not be able to view this when you issue some certain commands. Let's say for an example, ls. As you can see, when we issue this command, we are not able to see directory 1 because it is now hidden. If we want, we can also hide file 1 dot and call it dot file 1. Now, when we issue ls, these two files, or rather, the hidden file is now not visible when we issue this command. So these are some of the ways you could use like hidden files and the commands in order to know what you've got on your system. You can also create a hidden file and a directory from scratch. Like you don't need to move an existing directory or existing file in order to have one. For example, we can make directory and call it hidden directory, or we need to start with the dot hidden directory 1. We can create a file hidden file, let us call it hidden file 1. Now let us issue our command again. Now we can only view just directory 1 and directory 2 and file 2. We can also now issue our command in order to view everything. Now, as you can see, we can view everything, all including the hidden files and hidden directories. So now the question arises, why do we have these hidden files and hidden directories? Because it's important to know that because our files and directories are hidden doesn't mean that it's it's private or that it is protected, because whoever has access to our machine can view these files once they use the appropriate commands. So the reason we have these hidden files and folders is just to avoid clutter. So some files and directories that you don't need to see often, that you don't make use of often, you can hide them this way. And whenever you want to read them, you can read them just the same way as you would read other files and folders. So these are the things I wanted us to discuss about hidden files and folders in Linux. I hope this makes sense. I hope this is educational. If so, can I ask you to comment, to like, and to share? And I also want you to subscribe to my channel.